हाय गाइस, तो आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं ये बोट पे क्या कर रहा हूँ। तो आज इस बोट से मैं जा रहा हूँ एक ट्रक के यहाँ। यस, यू हर्ड मी राइट। टुडे आई एम टेकिंग द रोरो ferry from Mumbai to Mandwa jetty to check out one of Mumbai's largest food trucks, which is the Bombay Food Truck. And now मैं थोड़ा ये ferry घूमने वाला हूँ. But before that, safety is very important. So I'm going to wear my mask. And you guys, come with me. So the Roro has been managed by M2M Ferries. And as you can see, it has a capacity of about 140 vehicles and about 500 people. एंड मेरे पीछे है उनका कैफेटेरिया. मैं सोच रहा हूँ एक कॉफ़ी पी ही लेता हूँ. सो व्हाई डोंट यू गाइस? As you can see, they have a very spacious and a very pretty cafe in the Roro. And if you're hungry and you need some refreshments on the journey, they have you covered. Okay, तो हम पहुंच चुके हैं मांडवा जेटी and as you can see behind me, the Roro is getting ready for its next trip. तो अब हम चलते हैं to the Bombay Food Truck. I can't wait. Let's go. Okay, तो मैं खड़ा हूँ in front of this bright red Bombay food truck, and with me is the chef Mahesh More. Mahesh, tell us a bit about the food and what is your spin on the street food that you've given.
The whole idea.
Yeah.
The concept was brought to us by our boss, Mr. Ashish
Correct,
Sajjani.
correct.
So he had visited some places abroad, and he came up with this idea to start up with the food truck. But this is India and Mumbai, so we have to be local as well.
You have to adapt to the local taste
so
and local
yes,
flavors.
yes.
Correct.
Absolutely. So accordingly, we prepared the menu.
Okay.
And we came up with this idea, and
Okay.
this is our signature dish,
Mm-hmm.
Bombay Dogs. So Bombay Dogs is basically a Bombay version of the hot dog with chili con carne. This is with the chicken keema,
Correct.
and we make it with like Indian spices
Mm-hmm.
or Indian style.
Yeah.
This is
Chicken sausage.
Yeah, chicken sausage.
And I can see some cucumber and these lovely fries. So here's my first. Flavors are bang on. Indianized है but it's not super Indianized. बहुत सारे मसाले नहीं हैं. Perfect amount of spice. It's tangy. And these fries.
Crunch.
Who doesn't like fries? I'm sure kids will also enjoy this, and adults like me obviously are enjoying this. So
It reminds us our childhood.
absolutely, this is a complete winner. And chef, what should I try next?
The lamb burger.
Lamb burger?
Yeah, this is the juiciest burger we have.
Okay.
In whole Mumbai, you can see.
Okay, that is very appealing already. The description. This is the juiciest lamb burger I have had. I've had a few lamb burgers before, but this is so well cooked, and you can tell because all the juices are there. The mustard mayo adds that nice contrast to it, and the sweet caramelized onions, and burger का एक bite fry नहीं. ऐसे रूल बनाना चाहिए. Burger का bite, fry. Burger, fry, burger, fry, burger, fry. Wow, this is spectacular. I have been joined by the owner, Ashish Sajnani of the Bombay Food Truck. You can see him on the truck as well. Firstly, tell me why a food truck?
See, honestly, the beauty of a restaurant and the difference between a food truck is that you can put your restaurant in a food truck and travel wherever you like with it. I mean, we could be in Bombay one day, we could be in Mandwa the next day, we could be in Goa the next day, wherever, depends. I mean, even in Bombay, when we've been stationed at BKC for a while, for years in fact. And whenever we had music festivals and events, you could just drive to it.
Right.
So the beauty is your food is on wheels, you could take it wherever you want. At a restaurant, people come to you.
Correct.
At a food truck,
You go to the
you go to the people, and other people then again come to you because obviously they follow you on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, Twitter. So it's a very good experience.
And speaking of that, I have the nachos in my hand. So I think I should dig in. They look really sumptuous. And I think you should join me as well, maybe.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. There we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Crunchy, cheesy. You know, the salsa, the tang and the acidity is the perfect blend.
So this actually sells a lot during music festivals.
Yeah.
So when we make this is something we carry to all the music festivals.
Yeah.
Like French fries with different toppings, and they sell like hotcakes.
Now I have something super interesting, which is the pav bhaji roll. But Ashish, what is the story behind a pav bhaji roll?
So pav bhaji is Bombay's favorite street food, right?
Without a doubt.
It's
Without
something
a doubt.
that everybody likes to eat.
Yeah.
The chefs came up with the idea that before we bake it,
Mm-hmm.
we'll put the pav bhaji inside it.
Correct.
We'll bake the bread, and then we'll take it out,
And then
cut
add
it,
some more.
and then add some more.
Wow.
Right? It's Bombay's favorite snack, yeah. So
Absolutely.
we
And
always, it's inspired by
Yeah,
the
yeah.
whole masala pav.
Mm-hmm.
So we said if masala pav can be done like this, obviously this can be done.
And I can't wait to dig in. So I'm gonna go for this.
Nice.
It is the bomb.
It is the bomb.
You know, I like this because it's spicier than the usual pav bhajis, which is really, really nice. There's not, it's not overflowing with cheese. Like, हमारे यहाँ usually cheese डालो और cheese डालो, perfect amount. And another question I had was, what is this doing in Mandwa?
M2M
Yeah.
reached out to us and asked if we would like to bring the food truck to Mandwa.
Right.
And I said yes instantly.
Yeah.
And the reason behind that was I remembered Amitabh Bachchan in Agnipath saying Mandwa. I like boss.
Mandwa
this is
chahiye.
going to Mandwa chahiye. I just felt that connect, right?
Yeah,
I said,
yeah,
so let's
yeah.
do it.
I have the cottage cheese sandwich, which is in the focaccia bread. So I'm going to dig into that. Immediately there's that basil flavor, there's bell peppers, there's that sweetness, that tanginess. The vegetarians, they're gonna love this. And the focaccia bread, adds to the different texture. A normal sandwich has a regular taste.
Correct.
The focaccia takes it a notch higher. Okay, so that was my food truck experience. I had a fantastic day. Left from Mumbai in the morning on the lovely Roro boat. Came here to Mandwa, right here at the Bombay Food Truck. I had some fantastic food.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Absolutely love this experience. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो please go like, share and subscribe to the Foodie on all the social media platforms.
And don't forget to follow us at the Bombay Food Truck.
Yeah, please
Thank
do
you.
that as well. And I have to head back to Mumbai. So my Roro's waiting. I'll see you guys.